guys, and welcome back to my channel. So jumping straight into this video today, guys, I'm giving you a quick baby hair tutorial for your unit. And actually this baby hair tutorial method I not only use on my units, but I use for my or anyone else's hair or baby hairs as well. So if you guys would like to know how I lay and slay my baby hairs, then keep on watching. So I personally know a group of women that love baby hairs theirself, but they say baby hairs are complicated and they're hard to do. So that's why I'm here, ladies. I'm going to break this baby hair tutorial down into 3 easy steps for you today, guys. Yes, 3 easy steps. And I'm going to get into those steps here shortly. So guys, here's my technique when doing baby hairs. I first brush the baby hairs out, I hold on to them, and then as you can see, I pull back. And the reason why you want to hold on to them is so that you're not dragging the baby hairs back to where they came from, you know, in the first place. So you do want to hold the baby hairs in place before you use your edge brush or whatever your utensil that you're using. Those are your 3 steps, guys. So you want to brush down, hold, and pull back. That's it. Okay, so again, pull out, hold, and then you want to push back using your edge brush. And you'll see me doing that every time. Alright, so one more time, guys, going in with a little bit of mousse just to soften the hairs up, brushing down, hold, and pull back. And that's it, guys. Like, that is the real technique in doing baby hairs. That's the only technique I feel like you use when doing baby hairs. Pull them babies out, hold them, okay, and push them back. That's it, sis. That's the technique. That's the tea. That's the secret ingredient, okay? Now this is just me going over any hairs that I feel like are out of place and just trying to perfect them. So I do go back over my baby hairs, and now to set it, I'm going to tie it with my fancy scarf here. That's it, guys. Like, you can't tell me that these aren't my baby hairs. I want to thank you if you made it this far in the video with me. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and please comment down below other video ideas that you guys would like to see from me. And until next time, guys, bye.